Let me consider a problem. Fit a parabola y equal to a plus bx plus cx square for the data. X datas are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, y 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5 and 2.3. The first thing we observe what type of the parabola they are given. Based on it, we have to write the normal equations associated with this given curve. So let me consider the given curve y equal to a plus bx plus cx square. The normal equations associated with equation 1 are, see here we have a three parameters. How many equations we will get in the normal equation? The normal equation we are getting 3, right? First we have to take the summation of this equation 1. So you can remember like this: summation y. A is a constant. So if we have a constant, in the general format we have n into a plus b into summation x plus c into summation x square. We know that x is the what? Independent variable. So therefore, for the second equation, we have to multiply by x. So summation xy equal to a is a constant. In this term, we have to take summation x plus b into summation x square plus c into summation x cube. So for this equation, again we have to multiply by x. So we are getting x into xy is x square into y, that's equal to a into summation x square plus b into, we are going to multiply by x, no? So x square into x is what? X cube plus c into summation, we are multiplying x. So x cube into x is what? X to the power of 4. So let me take, or let me call this as equation number 2. Here n is the data which they are given. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n is 5. What are the requisites in the normal equations? We have to find out and you have to tabulate those results. So x data are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Y datas are 1, 1.8, 1.3, 2.5, 2.3. You have to add the summation x, you have to find out. See, in this equation we have summation x, no? So we have to add this 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So what is the resultant which we have? 10. Same thing, we needed summation y. So you have to add all the y values. So summation of y is 8.9. So what is the next we need to find out? We needed xy. So multiply this x with the y. X with the y. Okay. 0 into 1 is 0, right? So xy is 0. 1 into 1.8 is 1.8. Okay. In the same way, 2 into 1.3 is 2.6. Same thing, 3 into 2.5. What is the value? 7.5. 4 into 2.3, it is 9.2. We want sum of xy. You add all the values. So we will get summation x into y. So summation xy is 21.1. Okay. Next, what we needed x square into y, right? Before that, you can find out x square. So x square is, square the values of x. 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. So we needed some x square in the normal equation. You add this, we are getting summation x square as 30. Okay. Same thing, now we needed the summation x square into y. So therefore we have to multiply the value of each values of x square with the y now. So 0 into 1. See, x square is 0, y value is what? 1. So what is the resultant we were having? 0, right? In the same way, x square is 1 into y value is what? 1.8. Multiply that, you will get 1.8. Same thing, 4 into 1.3. That is what? 5.2. Same way, 9 into 2.5, it is 22.5. And 16 into 2.3, it is 36.8. So you have to add this, all the values. So you will get summation x square into y, it is 66.3. Okay. See, in the normal equation, we found the summation y, we found the summation x, and summation x square also we found, and xy, x, it's already here. X square we already found, x cube we needed, right? So you have to determine the x cube. So how you will find out the x cube? Take the x data, cube it. 0 cube, it's 0. 1 cube, so 1 to the power of 3. 1 to the power of 3 is 1. 1 you had to multiply 3 times. So 1 into 1 into 1, right? It is 1. So 2 cube. 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2. You had to multiply 3 times, right? You have to multiply 2 into 3 times. What you will get? It is 8, right? Same way, 3 cube means 3 to the power of 3. 3 you have to multiply 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. We can write 3 cube, no? So 3 cube is what? 27, right? So you have to write 27. Same way, 4 cube, it is what? 64. Okay, find out, you add this 0 plus 1 plus 8 plus 27 plus 64. So that's equal to what? It is 100. So summation of x cube is what? 100. We found the summation x cube. Now what we have to find out? The last one, summation x to the power of 4, right? So same thing, take the values of x. For that values, you have to raise the power by 4. Okay. So 0 to the power of 4 is 0. 1 to the power of 4 is 1. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. 3 to the power of 4 is 81. Okay. 4 to the power of 4 is 256. So sum of x to the power of 4 is equal to 354. Is equal to 354, right? So after finding out of all the respective sums, you have to substitute in the normal equation. So we are getting the what? Simultaneous equation, right? So let me substitute all these datas. Substitute all these values in 1. So we are getting summation y is what? It is 8.9. That's equal to, what is the n is? 5. So 5 into a plus summation x is what? 10. So 10 into b. Summation x square. Summation x square is what? 30, right? Plus 30 into c. Substitute in the next summation xy. What's the summation xy is? It is 21.1. So 21.1. That's equal to, what is the summation x is? Summation x is 10 into what we have here, a. We are writing a here. Plus summation x square. What is the sum of x square is? 30. So 30 into what? B. Right? Plus, what is the summation x cube is? It is 100. 100 into what? C. So now, what is the summation of x square y is? X square y is, it is 66.3 equal to summation x square. Summation x square is 30. So 30 into a plus summation x cube. See, what is the summation x cube is? 100. 100. B we have to write here. Okay, plus what's the summation of x to the power of 4? It is 354. 354 into what? C. So this is what? Simultaneous equation. So you have to solve this, okay, using calculator, using scientific calculator. You can determine the a value as 1.0771, b value is 0.4157, c value is minus 0.0214. Now what you have to do is, all these values a, b, c, substitute in equation number 1, that is y equal to a value is 1.0771 plus b value 0.4157 into x plus c is, we have minus, so plus into minus is what? Minus. So we will write it here minus c value is 0 minus 0.0214 into x square. So this is the best fit of the curve, best fit of the given curve.